Hi friends, welcome to math. So this is day 2 of math. So before you watch this video, make sure you watch the video that's on the planning guide of subitizing, because that's what we're doing today is subitizing. Okay, so let's start by making sure that we have our Hunter's chart in front of us. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do before we get started is we're going to count by 5s and 10s. We're not going to count all the way to 100. We're going to count by 5s and 10s. If you want to count to 100 on your own, that is up to you. Okay, here we go. So let's look at our hundreds chart. Remember, we're going to count by 10s first. We go all the way down, starting with what number? 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. All right, so now let's count by 5s. Remember, you move left to right, left to right. So when we count by 5s, we start with what number? Number 5. Good job. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Alrighty, so here is our objective for today. I can tell the number of objects in a set up to 10 without counting. So we're subitizing. So just like that song, subitize, use your brain, use your eyes, see a set and think quick, find the number in the set. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing we're going to do, you do not need this for right now. We are going to be thinking about me. So make sure your eyes are on me. Okay? Eyes up, eyes on me. Here we go. So I'm going to be showing you some flashcards. You are going to tell me what number it is. Okay? So what is the set? Here we go. I'm going to show it one more time. How many? Good job. You should see 5. So this is our 10 frame, and I see 5 on the top or the bottom? The top. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Here we go. This one's look a little bit different. Here we go. One more time. Good job. Okay, so this one was a little bit trickier. It was a little bit more than 5. So I know that there are 5 up top. I know that. So what I can do is I can count on from 5. So 5, 6, 7. So how many do you see up top? 5. How many are on bottom? 2. Good job. Here we go. One more time. All right. What was it? 3. Good job. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And how do you see them? How do you see 3 dots? Good job. All in a line up top. Here we go. One more time. Here we go. Alrighty, so let's think about it now, okay? How many did you see? 8. You should have gotten 8, okay? So I know that there are 5 up top, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are how many on bottom? Good job, 3. So let's count on from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. There are 8 dots on this card. All right. Next one. All righty. What is the number that you got? Good job. It should be 7. I know that there are 5 up top. And how many are on bottom? 2. So I know that there are 5 up top, so I'm going to count on from what number? 5. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Good job. You should have gotten 7. Here we go. Alrighty, what did you get? Good job. It should have been 8. So how many are up top? 5. On bottom? 3. So we're counting on from what? 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, last one till we find some strategies. Here we go. All right, this one should have been a little bit easier because I know that there are 5 up top and 1 more on bottom makes how many? 6. So we should know that this is 6. Good job. All right, so let's think about some strategies when it comes to subitizing some special numbers. So the first special number I'm thinking about is 9. So I know, is this 9? I know this is a 10 frame. Is this 9? No, this is 10. So I know that this is 10. There are how many up top? 5. And how many on bottom? 5. Good job. All right, so now I'm going to show you the number 9, okay? I already know, I'm already telling you this is 9. So I want to stop and think. So stop and think. How do we know that this is 9? If Miss Weedy did not tell you, how do you know that this is 9? There is 1 dot missing. Good job. If there is 1 dot missing, I am thinking about a number that is 1 less than 10. So that would be what? 9. So if you see that dot missing, it is the number 9. Good job. So here is the number, good job, 10. Here is the number 9. Good job. Awesome. All right. The next strategy I'm thinking about is thinking about the number 6. The number 6. So I know this is how many dots? Is this 6 dots? No. I know this is 5. 5 dots. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. Okay? So the next number, the number that we're thinking about is the number 6. So here is our number 6. So I know from the last card that up top I have 5. 1 more is 6, okay? So if I were to flash you this card, you would think about the number what? 6. Good job. All right, so using our number 5, I'm going to be thinking about the number 4. So I know all of these dots, if I were to flash it up, it is what? 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're thinking about the number 4. So here we go. Here is my number 4, okay? So I know up top it should be how many? 5. But I have 1 missing. I have 1 missing. So that must mean 1 less than 5 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go through these flashcards. Okay. Here we go. You're going to tell me the number. How many? Good job. How many? Good job. How many? Good job. How many? Oops. Good job. How many? Good job. Let's do it one more time. Shuffle them up. Here we go. Last one. Okay, so now we're going to think about some numbers that will not look like this. They will not look like they're in a 10 frame. We're looking at numbers that do not look like they're in a 10 frame. Okie doke, okie doke. Alrighty, so let me make sure all my cards are here. Awesome, they're all here. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit trickier. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to flash you the first card, and I want you to try and tell me how many dots there are, okay? Here we go. Okay, you should have gotten the number 4. So, how do you see the number 4 with our dots? 2 up top and 2 down bottom. Good job. So that's how we would get our number 4. All right, y'all ready for the next one? It's going to get tricky. Here we go. Ready? All right. You should have gotten the number 3. So I know that there are 2 up top and 1 on bottom. So that must mean 3. 2 and 1, 3. Here we go. This should have been an easy one. Okay, it is the number 2. Because I know there is 1 up top and 1 on bottom. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here we go. Alrighty, what number did we get? 6. Awesome, 6. How do you see 6? 3 up top and 3 down bottom. Good job. Here we go. Okay, what number did you get? You should have gotten 5. Awesome, 5. How do you see 5? 3 up top and 2 down bottom. Awesome. All right, last one. Alrighty, so I know some friends might have thought 10 because we think a lot about 10 frames, filling up 10 frames, but it is not 10, it is 8, okay? It is 8. So I know there are 4 up top, and how many on bottom? 4 on the bottom. Good job. Alrighty, so what I want you to do now is in your notebook. So open up your notebook to the next page after phonics. I'm going to erase our objective. And I want you to choose a number. Any number from 1 all the way to 10. And I want you to show me a couple ways that you can write the number, okay? So, or draw the number. So, Miss Guidi's number is going to be the number 5. You are going to choose something different, okay? So, I'm going to write my number across, down, and around for my 5. And I want to write it I want to draw it a couple different ways. You can use dots, you can use hearts, you can use stars. Miss Guidi is just going to use dots, okay? So this is the first way I'm going to draw my number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one way. Or I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another way. Or I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me separate this so you can see. Or I could do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All in a circle. I want you to choose a number, 1 all the way through 10. And I want you to show me at least 4 ways that you can make that number with dots, with hearts, anything you want to do. Okay? Alrighty. Math is done.